Hey everybody, it's Jenny, and I am back after like 4 months to share how I planned this week in my classic happy planner. This is the Be Happy box by Amy Tangerine, classic size happy planner. And you can see this is the little sticker book where I store all of my Etsy type stickers, and I am working with this particular one from Shine Sticker Co. I will link the shop in the notes below. I'm laying down the little washi strip. If I buy stickers, it's typically a full box one like you're looking at right here, and then another sheet with either washi or half boxes. Those are the ones that I use the most. Now, this particular sticker book, I store all of the random stickers. So right here, for example, this is one with all of these little checklists. I'm going to use this one for meal planning. So I'm placing it down here in this corner, and then I am going to actually watercolor over it. And this is from a shop called Let's Plan It. And I love her stickers because they're really super cute, but a lot of them you can get in just black and white, and then I can watercolor over them. So these are a Prima watercolor tropicals, and I am using a blender brush from Fun Stamper's Journey. I'll also link that one up below. I'm just giving a little wash right here that I'm going to spread. It'll add just a little bit of light color, and then I can add a little bit more pigments directly from the watercolor cube right there into that wet area. This allows me to give that really watercolory effect, all of the different shades of the pink. I'm also just adding a little header right there, so that's notating that these are for meals. And then my little lower left-hand corner is all set and ready to go. I'm really enjoying the way that that's turned out so far. So now I'm just going through, like I said, these are just random stickers. So I have a bunch of icons and boxes and all kinds of things. And these are just the independent sticker shops like Etsy stickers and those types of things. I have a handful that are my favorites, including the Sparkle Adventures. She's just so cute. And again, I will link all of the independent sticker shops that I can find down below. Now, because I'm planning kind of late this week, I'm also getting a little bit into Monday because Monday's plans are already on my mind. And so some of these are like to-dos and those types of things as opposed to only strictly activities. Had I planned a little bit further in advance, those things wouldn't have been so heavily on my mind as well. Now, this is just a pick up medicines, which is simply like a little checklist, like a to-do type thing. Ordinarily, again, like I said, you wouldn't be seeing that, but well, Monday to-dos are heavy on my mind. So after adding my recycle sticker, I'll be moving on to Tuesday, and all I need on Tuesday is for my cleaning to note that Tuesday is cleaning day, and then also for a work call. Now I'm going through all of the sticker samplers. So a lot of the shops will send a little sampler. I'm sorry, I'm having a hard time with the ST. And so I'm just pulling out ones that include stickers on those samplers that I might be able to use here for those two activities, the work call and the cleaning. These are stickers that I often forget about, so I thought let's pull out all those samplers, which I store together in that random sticker book, and I will include those up at the top. Now I'm just pulling out a little quarter box for the cleaning, and then what I'm going to do after that is I'm going to pull out my Krissyanne Designs binder, which I just absolutely love Krissyanne Designs, the colors and the paper, and so I went ahead and I ordered the binder and all the sticker sheets that you'll see in the rings right there. The ones that are in the pockets are ones that I had previously, and they're pretty old, so they don't allow for punching to go in the holes, which is okay because I just whipped up that handy dandy little pocket and I keep them in there as well. Now they do require a permanent marker. They would smear if you used a regular gel pen, but that's okay because I have a permanent marker that I really like, so it's easy enough. I don't have an activity or any planned activities on Wednesday, so I'm just moving right ahead to the second half of the week, adding that other strip of washi, letting it hang off the edge, and then trimming the excess with my little Fun Stamper's Journey scissors. And again, I will link all of these things in the comments below if you're interested in them at all. If you're not, it's a-okay, just let them go. Thursday is going to be a very busy day for me. It's a traveling day. I'm traveling over the weekend to Chicago for the Wandering Planners event in Schaumburg. And so I'm just flipping through all my stickers to find boxes and icons that will work for this. So for example, I am looking at this point for a sticker for my son's dentist appointment, which I'm not going to use that one I already laid down. It's too busy, but I am going to use that plain one and then cover the apple that was printed on it with this little dentist sticker. I think it's adorable. Again, it's from Shine Sticker Co. and it's just super, super cute. So I'm going to write the details on there for the dentist appointment, and then I can move that sticky note that I already had down there for that activity. And then I'm also just adding another one and doing a tiny little bit of brush lettering up at the top of that box, but then writing the rest. I could write all of it in brush lettering and it would be perfectly fine, but I really love to mix the fonts. I think that's really fun. So that's what I've done right there on that sticker. So now I have one more activity sticker that I need to add for Thursday, which is my flight information. So I'm going to share something really fun with you. First, I'm going to put down the Krissyanne Designs stickers, and then I'm going to pull out the Phomemo Printer that they sent me to try out and to share with you. And it's really cool. Like, I don't know that I would regularly print photos with it, but in a pinch, it would be fun. And it creates a really cool sticker out of anything. So it prints right on sticker paper. So I'm going to share with you how I printed out an icon. So for example, that was a travel box, and I thought it would be really fun to have an airplane. So I downloaded an airplane icon from a different app. And then all I have to do is open the Phomemo app, right there, you see it, and then connect the printer to my phone. Then I can open up that icon, see right there, super cute, and just hit print, prints it right out. It's super, super quick. Now this is sticker paper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a paper punch, a circle paper punch. See, there's where I did the photo, so cute. Another little emoji and then a text box, which I think that's fun. And if you follow me on Instagram, you have seen me use it before as well in my Instagram. So I'm just going to punch the little circle and then I will peel the sticker off the back of it, like the backing of the sticker. Now I'm going to turn the printer off first, of course, because we don't want to waste the battery. Now I do have a hard time peeling the little back off, so I will just stick that on there later, but I do love the super cute little icon, and I love that you can change the size and all of that, and it's already conveniently sticky and perfect for adding into your planner. So anyway, I will link up the printer down below if you wish to check it out. Again, if you don't want to, it's no big deal at all. I just thought for those of you that were interested in seeing it, that's super cool. Now these are more of those Let's Plan It stickers, and I'm going to watercolor on these as well, doing the exact same thing that I did earlier in the week, which is just adding a little wash of color over the entire sticker and then adding a little bit more pigment in certain areas just to add that watercolor effect with the variegated light and dark and all of that kind of thing. Now I do want to add a couple of more decorative clusters so that I can create that visual triangle that you all know that I love. So I'm going to do a little bit of layering with a couple more of those stickers. Down below I'll use the 2 full boxes, and then up at the top I'm going to take a half box and then the full box of the unicorn and use that too. It's just so cute. I figured I might as well go ahead and just add that all right there. Look how adorable it is, am I right? So now I'll go down and I'll pull up that weekend sticker that I watercolored on already, and it just goes perfectly right there. Even the little Cora on the weekend sticker goes perfectly with the little girl. It's just all so adorable, and I'm super excited with the way that it turned out. So now I'm going to add a couple more of the Krissyanne Designs stickers for the Wandering Planners events that I have over the weekend. There's an event on Friday, one on Saturday, and one on Sunday as well. So I'll go ahead and add the Saturday and add it to that cluster, and then the same thing for Sunday down below. Now on the Sunday one, I'm also going to add this little star border. First of all, it's just adorable and cute, but then it's kind of a big event, and I'm also teaching at that one as well. So this is the same Pilot permanent pen that I used earlier on the other Krissyanne Design stickers, but it's really just my favorite one for writing on these. It's got a great tip. So this is pretty much the end for me. I will add one more sticker, but that's it. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out my video. I really do hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them in the box below, and I'll do my very best to get back to you. Thank you so much, and make it a great day.